my God. Oh my God. I think I've officially found the perfect wash and go combo. And welcome back to my channel. Trayleen Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Trayleen Danita. Alright guys, I am back with another hair video, and in today's video we're doing another wash and go. Okay, I know you love these wash and go combos, and in today's video we are trying out another wash and go combo. Today's wash and go combo is the Doux Gurl, and it's the Crazy Sexy Curls Mousse. Yes, I've heard good things about this combination. This combination has gone viral over on TikTok and all of those socials. And by the way, make sure you follow me on all of my other socials on TikTok, Instagram, all of the things at Trayleen Danita. But yeah, this combination right here, I hear it's for the curls, it's for the girls. So we're gonna try it out. I love the Doux products, and I have a couple of tutorials on my channel. I'll be sure to link those down below. So I have high hopes for this combo as well as the products. So I love the Doux lines and their products. I've had a good relationship with those products up until this point, so I'm excited to see what this combo is going to do. So let's just get into it. So my hair has been completely washed and fully detangled. I did apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair for wash day. I just hope that it doesn't disturb the product combo. When I was considering this combo, I found out that a lot of the comments about this product was that it left the hair feeling rather dry, so I figured I'd just put in a leave-in conditioner during my wash day. Hopefully that'll help alleviate some of the dryness, because we don't want dry hair, okay? We want to make sure that the hair maintains the moisture, but I'm also hoping that the leave-in doesn't mess it up. So I'm working in sections like I always do. First my 4 sections, and then sectioning that hair again. Gonna saturate the hair using my TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit spray mist bottle. A lot of water. And with this combo, I'm debating, should I go custard first and then mousse, or mousse then custard? I don't know. I don't know if it matters. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go in with the custard first, and then I'll apply the mousse after that. So, and of course making sure my hair is detangled. We gotta have detangled curls. So this is the Gurl Honey Curl Custard. With this product, yes, it says that it is a custard. And this product mentioned that it kind of dries down more like a gel, right? So we'll see, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so you see that the consistency, well, it does have like the tackiness, giving off the honey, I guess. It doesn't smell like anything. It kind of gives off a little medicine type. You know how vitamins smell out of the jar? If I had to describe it, that's what it smells like. So doesn't really give off a smell, but it does have definitely a tacky consistency. So I'm just going to use the bit that's on my hands from me nearly losing half of the product, and apply that to my hair. So applying that, a little bit of residue on my curls. I'm excited to see what my hair's gonna look like, y'all. The Doux never lets me down. Alright, so that is what it looks like with just the custard. Now I'm gonna follow up with the Crazy Sexy Curl Mousse. So let's do that. I'm gonna take about I don't know, not that much. And just apply it on top. Like so. And just raking that the regular method I always do with my wash and go, raking that product all the way through. All right, and this is the definition. Saturate in the next section. And repeating that process. Make sure my hair is detangled really, really good. So I'm taking some more of that Gurl Custard on my hands and applying that to my hair. Now my hair normally takes to gel really well for a wash and go. Custards, for me, it works, but it gives more of a soft hold. But yeah, for this custard, the way it even feels going on my hair, it's definitely giving like a little tacky feeling. I'm just praying that it doesn't dry like down sticky. You know, honey is sticky. I'm just praying that it doesn't give that tacky feeling. It is an aloe base, and of course it does have honey in it, so that's a benefit for the hair. So those are moisturizing products for the hair, which is good. So I'm taking some more of the mousse. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed, but I'm trying my best not to be with this product combo, because it literally looks like a little bit goes a long way. And my hair does look like really defined, y'all. Like the wet definition is a telltale sign of how the hair is going to look when it's dry. And right now my curls are definitely popping. Y'all see that? Wow. So I'm going to finish up this application. I'm going to come back and show you the wet results, and then of course when my hair dries, I'll show you what that looks like too. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back. I have applied the Gurl Custard and the Crazy Sexy Curl Mousse to my hair. Y'all, the wet results looks amazing. Like, my hair is so defined. Like real bad, like real good, real bad, real good, like real good. My God. So I did mention that I did put a leave-in in my hair. I'm just hoping that the leave-in doesn't create any flaking here. That's the only thing that I'm afraid of, is the flaking. But otherwise, the products did blend well together. I am going to sit under a hooded dryer for the majority of this drying, and then I'm going to diffuse the rest and then come back and show you the dry results. So stay tuned. Hold that thought, I almost forgot. So of course I've been doing this with all of my wash and goes. I have been using the hair weights to help prevent some of that shrinkage from my hair. They're the TPH hair weights. I've mentioned this in a lot of my wash and go videos, and this is what it looks like. You just clip it on your hair and it just elongates your curls without like tangling and damage, so you can just get you a little bit of hang time with your wash and go. So I normally just put the weights at the backs of my hair because that's where I want to kind of stretch my hair the most. I'm trying to do this without disturbing my curls as much, but yeah, I normally do it at the backs of my hair. So when it dries, it already dries in a stretch state. And these hair weights, they come in like a pack, I think a pack of 10. Yeah, a pack of 10. Of course, I'll link them down in the description below, and all of the products that I am using today in the description below, so don't worry. These weights are very popular. I think they sell out quick, so if you can get you a set, you're the lucky one because they sell out rather quick. So yes, you see how it's kind of like making my hair hang longer than the rest of my hair. But yeah, that's what those do. So I'm going to continue to put the rest of the weights on my hair, and then I'm going to go sit under the dryer and I'll be back. Oh my god, oh my god, I think I've officially found the perfect wash and go combo. Okay guys, I am back with my full dried results, and baby, they are good. Oh my god, I think I may have found the perfect wash and go combo for my typhoid hair. My goodness, you see that definition, the shine, the everything. Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay, first things first, I did have a little issue, little snafu. My hair dryer went out, so I literally had to dry my hair with my diffuser and handheld dryer, which I don't normally do, but I think I'm going to be using that method moving forward because it gave me the results, baby. Like, yeah, I think I'm going to be switching from my hooded dryer to my diffuser kind of handheld dryer because it gave me the results. And another thing, this is next day hair. Because of the dryer fail, I could not come back the same day, but this is next day. So technically this is second day hair, and second day hair is giving. Baby, that bee curl honey custard and that crazy sexy curl mousse, chef's kiss. Okay, so let's just get into it. Would I recommend this combo? Absolutely yes. Would I repeat it on my hair? Absolutely yes. So let's talk about it. First of all, the Doux. I am an avid user of the Doux products. They just do well in my hair. First impressions of the Gurl Honey Custard. I wasn't sure of what it was going to be given based off of the consistency. It was given tacky. I'm not even going to lie to you. After applying it to my hair, my hands did feel sticky. So I was scared that my hair was going to feel sticky. But I'm here to tell you, it does not. It does not give stick. It actually gives baby moisturized, okay? Moisturized curls. So I do love the super defined results. And baby, this product does not lie. It claims to give you defined results, and that it did. So when I first started using it, I did spill a bit because I just wasn't sure of how loose it was, but this is how much I used. I don't want to feel wasting anymore, so I wasted some of it, but this is about, I don't know, I have a generous amount left. I think I'll be able to do maybe 2 more wash and goes with this, with what's left. A little bit goes a long way. It spreads so nicely on the hair and it defines the hair immediately. Do you hear me? Immediately. It defined my curls immediately. Even my wet results were perfection. When your wet results are good, 9 times out of 10, the dry results will be even better. So I just loved the results from the gel. Now, as far as the smell is concerned, it was giving weird. Like I couldn't place it. I think I kind of described it like a vitamin kind of smell, but my hair does not dry down to that smell. My hair actually smells really, really fresh. Maybe it came from the mousse, I'm not really sure, but my hair does not smell like the gel at all. This gel, baby, 10 out of 10 will recommend. One thing that I did notice with my hair is that my hair is crunchy, okay? I'm gonna put that out there. My hair is crunchy, but I don't mind the crunch because my hope is that I want this wash and go to last me at least 7 days, okay? With the crunch, I know that my curls will last, so I don't mind that. I like that I have the crunch with a little bit of volume. Like, that doesn't bother me. I actually prefer a little bit of crunch, if you will, because it just lets me know that my curls are going to hang on for a long time. So if I had anything bad to say, it would be, if you're not a fan of the crunch and the sticky or the tacky feeling when applying it, that was my only thing that I would say that really didn't jive well with me. Other than that, it did its thing. With the mousse, I did go in with, you know, a generous amount. I am heavy-handed. If you've been following me for a long time, you know that I am heavy-handed. That's just not gonna go away. So I did apply the Crazy Sexy Curl Mousse Setting Foam, and this claims to give you define, hold, and styling. So these two paired together, baby, it is a match made in curl wash and go heaven. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? These two together, baby, so good. One thing that I do want to note when applying the products, I applied the gel first and then followed up with the mousse on top just to soften up my hair a bit. But I don't have anything bad to say about a mousse. The mousse is the mousse, you know what I'm saying? Same kind of scent, but its scent was a little bit more fresh than the custard. Don't have really any bad things to say about a mousse. I mean, what can I say? A mousse is a mousse. But overall, I am loving the results, y'all. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. I did shape my hair a little bit. I stretched it a little bit, but I did not do too much. So it actually elongated my curls a little bit too. I don't have a whole bunch of shrinkage, which is good, and I love that for my curls. All right, guys, overall, for this product combo, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. It's a 10 out of 10. Oh my God, it is a 10 out of 10, and I will use it again. Yes, I would. Comment down below letting me know, have you tried this product combo, or have you tried the products separately? I'm interested to see what the products might respond to my hair, maybe separately, but I don't know if it's worth it. I'll just stick with what I know. But anyway, comment down below letting me know, have you tried this combo? Have you tried the Doux products? Let me know I'm not alone. And if you haven't, you must. Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.